Shifting gears, Korea's exports to its largest trading partner, China, rebounded in September. But the real question is, will this trend continue? Connie Kim reports on the prospects for the rest of the year and the longer-term challenges Korea faces.
For most Korean policymakers and businessmen, one of the most encouraging signs from September trade data is a rise in exports to China. Outgoing shipments to Korea's largest trading partner rebounded for the first time in 5 months. The total came in at 12.7 billion won, or roughly $12 million in September, up 6.5% from a year earlier. More importantly, the gain came mostly in intermediary goods that are fitted by Chinese exporters in their finished products. Shipments rose by more than 50% for computer parts, some 32% for semiconductors, and 13% for petrochemical products. Now that's welcome news for Korea, as parts and other basic components represent nearly 3/4 of all of its exports to China. The Trade Ministry says Korea is well positioned due to the improved results and expects exports to hit an all-time high this year. Chinese exports have been on the rise since May, showing an upward trend. Trade officials say a recovery in the U.S. economy will keep boosting Chinese exports to America in the coming months, particularly in the run-up to the year-end shopping season. The Institute for International Trade says Chinese firms are now improving their own supply capacity and that Korean firms should focus on ways to differentiate themselves from Chinese suppliers. Negotiations for the Korea-China Free Trade Agreement are in the final stages, and it's expected to be signed by the end of the year and could take effect as early as next year. Connie Kim, Arirang News.